Check out this 2007 Cadillac STS. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Call today to schedule a test drive.